What's the biggest problem with robot vacuum cleaners? Simple, they still can't clean sharp corners and super tiny spaces. You know, those annoying little dust bunnies that hide in the tightest spots. Most robot vacuum cleaners just can't reach them. And let's be real, if your vacuum can't clean every part of your home, is it really doing the job right? Now, let me introduce you something entirely new called SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro combo. And I know what you're thinking, yet another robot vacuum. But hold your mouse, because this isn't just a robot vacuum cleaner. It's an entire cleaning system built to make sure your home stays spotless with minimal effort from your side. We're talking about the world's smallest robot vacuum, a lightweight cordless vacuum, and a dual dust collection base station all-in-one. This 3-in-1 cleaning system is designed to take care about every mess from floor to ceiling, all while taking up less space than a sheet of paper. Now let me explain the details. This dust collection base called Fusion Base is not an average charging dock because it empties the dust bins of both the robot and the cordless vacuum automatically. And guess what? You only have to empty it once every 70 days. That's like going from New Year's to spring break without touching your vacuum's dust bin. The secret? A massive 3-liter dust bag that is not just big but smart. It's equipped with antibacterial properties that eliminate more than 99.9% of common bacteria. So again, we have a robot and a cordless vacuum both connected to the same fusion base. And the cordless vacuum is impressive. It weighs only 1.17 kilograms. That's about the same as a bottle of milk or 2 beers, if you wish. You can easily carry it around the house, up and down the stairs, and clean everything from curtains to air vents. Plus, it comes with multiple brush options tailored for different surfaces. Mite removal brush, perfect for sofas, beds, and carpets, ensuring deep cleaning of dust mites and allergens. Next is 2-in-1 crevice brush, ideal for baseboards, door gaps, car seats and other tight spots. Also, flathead brush designed for pet mats, lampshades, air conditioner vents, and even curtains. And last but not least, floor brush that can lay flat at 180 degrees, making it super easy for cleaning under beds and sofas. Okay, so you're probably wondering, will this 3-in-1 thing even fit in my home? Short answer, yes, the entire setup takes up less space than a standard A4 sheet of paper, and that's crazy small, but don't let the size fool you. This little guy is packed with power. The robot vacuum detects carpet and automatically boosts suction up to 3000 PA to pull out the deep-seated dirt and pet hair. And for those hard-to-reach areas, that's where the cordless vacuum comes in with the impressive 20,000 PA suction power, and that is a lot, believe me. Here's where the things get really cool. The SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro combo isn't just a cleaning machine, it's a real smart home friendly device. You can control it with the SwitchBot app, voice commands through Amazon Echo, Google Home, Siri, and Home Assistant, or with the buttons right on the robot itself. There is a Matter support, and as you might already know, Matter is the future of smart home compatibility, making it easier to connect devices across different platforms. The K10 Plus Pro combo will support direct Matter over Wi-Fi. However, there is a catch. Apple Home doesn't yet support robot vacuums under the Matter standard, so you either need SwitchBot Hub Mini Matter enabled or SwitchBot Hub 2. Sold separately to Matter connected for now, but once Apple opens up support, the K10 Plus Pro combo will be ready to integrate seamlessly with Matter over Wi-Fi. If you're using Home Assistant, good news! The K10 Plus Pro combo can also be integrated using the already available SwitchBot Cloud Home Assistant integration. And hey, this lets you automate your vacuum with other smart home devices, giving you full control over when and how it cleans. Speaking of smart features, this robot body uses DTOF radar technology, the same kind used in the autonomous vehicles. This strangely named technology for me is used to map your home with incredible precision. It intelligently navigates around obstacles, avoids drop-offs, and systematically cleans every inch of your floor space using a zigzag cleaning pattern for maximum coverage. This means no more random inefficient cleaning paths, and with a single charge this tiny robot can clean up to 225 square meters for 150 minutes straight. Now, no product is perfect, so let's keep this real. There is no dustbin full detection sensor, so you have to keep track of when it's time to empty it. Remember that 70 days. And the cordless vacuum, it's got a powerful punch, but only lasts around 11 to 12 minutes on max settings. However, on the lowest setting you can get up to 41 minutes, and that's plenty of time to take care of those spots your robot friend can't reach. And with its super light 1.17 kg design, you won't feel like you've just done an unworkout. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price of this SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro combo usually is around $800, but from time to time you can get coupons like this for $200 off, so you better check for those flash sales. And I also want to show you this interesting table here. The K10 Plus Pro combo is costing $800 usually, and for this price you can clean everything here almost automatically. On the other hand, a regular robot vacuum is costing $637.25. I don't know from where this price comes. It's probably some average. And this one can't clean stairs, sofas, car seats, keyboards, aircon, and so on. For that, you need another stick vacuum. This is another separate product that can cost around $470. And with this thing, you can clean everything but manually. And you have to manually empty it. So if you combine the price of a regular robot vacuum plus the regular stick vacuum, you get a total price of $1,100, which is far more expensive than the combo that is usually costing around $800, and you can still get coupons from time to time, like right now. At the end of the day, think about what this means for your daily life. No more weekly vacuum emptying, no more missing those tricky corners, no more lugging around heavy equipment to clean your stairs or ceiling corners. The K10 Plus Pro combo doesn't just clean your home, it gives you back your time and peace of mind, and that's what smart home is all about. I don't want to sound like a cliché commercial, but in my humble opinion, this thing is a really good one. And I want to ask you, are you ready to transform your cleaning routine forever? If yes, click the affiliate link below to get your hands on this SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro combo cleaning system. Your dust-free, hassle-free life is just one click away. And hey, with that 30-day money-back guarantee, what else do you have to lose except those dust bunnies? Thanks for watching, I'm Kirill, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!